During our Mediterranean cruise, we traveled to the French Riviera and visited Cannes, Nice, Monte Carlo, and Monaco City.
We were quite individualist and like to be one person in one car. Little by little drop their car and use the public transport called Folly. The Folly on the left hand side. The Folly is an extravagant house. You know those rich people, they wanted to have a house that would be different from the neighborhood. So it could be a Victorian mansion, a Venetian style Palazzo, could be a Gothic castle. And on the right hand side, a nice fountain with Apollo and the horses on his head. The old town on the right and the new town on the left with Gallery Lafayette. This is Massena Square. We're in the heart of Nice. Nice is the capital city of the French Riviera. Nice is also the capital city of the port of Nice. The port of Nice dates back to 18th century. It is there that a famous Italian patriot was born. On the right hand side, look at the view. Cargo, we're a little bit slower than the cars by the castle of the Englishman. If once you go to Barcelona, finally decided to come here for the place with pirates, and thanks to the construction of the city, it was cleaned from the pirates. The Bay of Villefranche on the right hand. She was in competition with the King of Belgium. Example of a north city near the sea, you can see, which is also from 16th century. One down here, look at the sea down here. And there's the railway, which is now down on the right and which will be soon. Luxury village, the view is really nice from here. With the fortresses, that's why we have cruise ships that stop and people take tenders. We call this part of the coast Little Africa because many varieties of plants actually come from Africa. Like palm trees from Canary Island, like oleander from Egypt, cactus from South Africa and so on. Lots of olive trees. Uphill as 40 inhabitants, 1 million visitors per year. Ez comes from Isis, because 2 centuries before Christ, the Phoenicians founded the first city there. A resident is a foreign person who lives in Monaco half year in order not to pay income taxes. We can see the perpendicular lines on the floor, each for a different car according to the timing they do during the trials. We've got 3 Grand Prix this year. E-car, electric cars, very funny because you hear nothing. Vintage car, the pier, through a chicane that we're going to pass by in a second. Port inside the port will be taken away and they will put some other yachts, especially booked for the week.
There's only one casino on.
I think so. Or this is the most popular one.
Casino.
This is the only casino on the island.
We definitely enjoyed visiting some of the coastal resorts of the French Riviera.